It's called an invasion of privacy. The U.S. court says Trump's Doe team can access Social Security numbers and other sensitive data. The court refuses to block Department of Government Efficiency from accessing data such as citizenship status. Tyrone Bowman, live. According to The Guardian, a U.S. appeals court on Tuesday rejected a bid by a group of unions to block the Trump administration government downsizing team known as the Department of Government Efficiency, or DOG, from accessing sensitive data on Americans. The Virginia-based Fourth U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals, in a 2-1 decision, said the unions were unlikely to prevail on claims that DOG would violate federal privacy laws by accessing data at the U.S. Department of Education, Treasury Department, and Office of Personnel Management. The court refused to block DOG's access to the agency's computer system and data such as Social Security numbers and individuals' citizenship status pending the outcome of the case. The decision reverses a temporary injunction issued by a federal judge in Maryland, which had been paused by the appeals court in April. The agencies involved in the case and the unions that sued, which include the American Federation of Teachers and the National Federation of Federal Employees, did not immediately respond to requests for comment. Donald Trump, after taking office in January, launched DOG, then headed by the billionaire Elon Musk, to dramatically shrink government, bureaucracy, and federal spending. DOG, which is not a formal government agency, has overseen job and spending cuts at nearly every federal agency and has been the focus of numerous lawsuits. Musk stepped down from DOG in May after publicly falling out with Trump. The Fourth Circuit on Tuesday said the unions that sued along with a group of military veterans had not shown how they would be injured by DOG accessing agency's computer systems. They also probably lack legal standing to sue because that access is not a final agency action that can form the basis of a lawsuit, the court said. A dissenting judge said it was prudent to temporarily block access to the data while the case plays out, and that the standard his colleagues had imposed on the plaintiffs was too high. Well, how would the judges like it if somebody accessed their personal information and had access to all their sensitive files that were guarded by privacy laws? Never surrender, never quit.